Hello, 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 beautiful humans. Welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. So today I'm talking to you about one of the newest My Best Hair Kits. If you're unfamiliar with the My Best Hair Kit, it is everything you need to have your most amazing hair day every day. So a My Best Hair Kit includes a bonnet, a scarf, and a scrunchie. So the newest one I'm going to introduce you to is called Transcendence, and that name came about because it has butterflies on it, and butterflies represent like transcending, evolving, transformation. So that's why I chose the name Transcendence. So it has like a green, almost like an aqua green background with like mauve and like yellow butterflies. And on the inside, it has like a mauve color satin interior. It is reversible and double lines. And the Transcendence My Best Hair Kit does come in 4 sizes: child, regular, medium, and BAB. And if you have any questions on the bonnet sizes, you can look at some of the other YouTube channels or go to NPTressTreats.com and visit the Our Bonnet page to learn more. So this is the bonnet, and like I said, it comes in 4 different sizes, and the elastic on this bonnet is about 21 inches. Most heads are about 22 inches, so I go with like a 21-inch elastic band. It comes with a mauve satin scarf, and the scarf is 35 inches by 35 inches, and it comes with a satin scrunchie to match. So with the My Best Hair Kit, the options are endless. You can use the scarf on its own. You can use the bonnet on its own. You can use all 3 items together. You can do like a pineapple, wrap it with the scarf, and then throw your bonnet on top. There's some tutorials on the YouTube channel for that. You can cover your pillowcase with the scarf, sleep with your bonnet. You can do, options are endless, and that's why I did create the My Best Hair Kit, to give you many options for your nighttime hair routine. So again, that is the Transcendence My Best Hair Kit. It is available at NPTressTreats.com. Love ya.